So in this video I want to use motion tween. So I've set up my stage, my frame rate is 12 and I've named the layer text. This time we're going to use the text tool. You go to the T icon in your tools, click on it, and I'm just going to type a word. I'm going to type hello. To adjust the size of it, you can highlight your words and go to the property panel and you can change your font. So I'll go finer hand and I'm going to increase the size. You can change the color here, so I'm just going to make it blue. As always, it has to be a symbol, so you need to press F8 to make it a symbol. I'm going to write in hello, and we want to make sure that we've made it a movie clip. Okay, so now what we would normally do at this point would be insert another keyframe and move it, but instead of that, what we're going to do is right click on the object and choose the option here called motion tween. And you'll notice that this chunk, it's a green color, has appeared on the timeline, and I'm going to stretch it out. I want my animation to last for 4 or 5 seconds, so let's bring it up to 50. And what you do at this point is you decide where you're going to move it. So I'm going to click here and I'm going to move hello. I'm going to squash it. Okay, and automatically when I've done that, I didn't have to insert a keyframe, it automatically put a keyframe in. I'm going to go further along. I'm just clicking and then I just move the object and it automatically puts in a keyframe. And again, I can adjust it. And at the end, I can just rotate it. So I move the playhead and I can twist it around. And then we can just click on play and see it play here. You can use these icons along here to rewind and play. There's also other options here if you want to play. Here's the option for insert keyframe and step backward or go forward. You can just mess around with these yourself. Now, supposing you wanted to change something. If you click inside, it's sometimes you have to press Control and click to adjust the keyframe. So you click on the keyframe and you can adjust it and move it along. So if I want to adjust it here, just click on it and I'll go to color effects and I'll go to alpha and I'll bring the alpha here and I click here and I'm going to click on it and bring the alpha back up to 100 so it fades out and it fades in again. So it's just another way of doing things. Some people prefer to use motion tween rather than classic tween.